Scandinavian Inspired Kitchen 2025, Minimalist, bright and functional Nordic design ideas. Welcome to a fresh take on timeless design with our Scandinavian Inspired Kitchen 2025. In this video, explore a collection of the latest Nordic-style kitchen trends that combine clean lines, natural materials, and light-filled spaces to create a homey yet modern atmosphere. Perfect for those who love minimalism without sacrificing warmth and character. Whether you're planning a renovation or just searching for beautiful kitchen inspiration, this tour will guide you through practical, stylish, and eco-conscious ideas for your dream Scandinavian kitchen. What you'll see in this video: latest Scandinavian kitchen design trends for 2025. Functional layouts focused on simplicity and space optimization. Natural wood cabinetry, matte finishes, and subtle textures. Bright, airy color palettes. Whites, creams, and muted pastels. Minimalist hardware and integrated storage solutions. Decorative yet practical elements. Open shelves, plants, and ceramics. Scandinavian lighting. Pendants, sconces, and warm ambient lights. Sustainable design choices and natural materials. Design highlights. Light wood floors and cabinets for a cozy natural feel. Handle-free cabinetry for a seamless minimalist look. Open shelving to display tasteful kitchenware and greenery. Pendant lights over kitchen islands or dining zones. Stone or quartz countertops in soft, organic tones. Neutral and monochromatic color schemes. Built-in storage to maintain a clutter-free environment. Soft textiles like linen curtains or jute rugs to add comfort. Perfect for fans of minimalist and modern design. Homeowners looking to create a calm, inviting kitchen. Designers and decorators seeking 2025 Scandinavian inspiration. Small space dwellers wanting to maximize functionality and style. Anyone who loves Nordic lifestyle and interiors. Why choose a Scandinavian kitchen in 2025? Emphasizes functionality and comfort. Promotes calm, clutter-free living. Designed for long-lasting beauty and simplicity. Perfect for open-concept homes and small spaces. Supports eco-friendly and sustainable choices. Share your thoughts. Which Scandinavian feature is your favorite: the clean lines, the cozy wood, or the clever storage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and inspire others with your style preferences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if Scandinavian design speaks to your soul. Follow us for more stunning kitchen and home interior ideas every week.